This video documents dust removal by shot blasting. The dust that will be removed by shot blasting was made during diamond grinding. After vacuuming, a 110-volt shot blaster is passed over the surface. The machine cleans by agitating the surface using steel shot. Normally, a machine like this creates a rough profile. In this case, it's used as a dust extractor to remove all the dust not recovered by the vacuum wand. The floor's change in color indicates how much grinding dust is being removed. While the dust might not affect coating adhesion, it certainly could be considered a trapped contaminant. The shot blaster removes it all. And that's about it. Dust removal by shot blasting.